For 60 years, one financial services institution has stood out as a beacon of trust and reliability. This is the story of ICEA LION, a story marked by growth, innovation, and unwavering commitment to our customers. This is a time to reflect on lessons from the past which are vital for guiding our future. Our story begins in 1964, a year of significant change and promise for East Africa.
3 companies, Welfare Insurance Company, Eagle Star Insurance Company, both from UK, and New Zealand Insurance Company, subscribed share capital of $6 million then to start Insurance Company of East Africa because they felt they needed a foothold in East Africa.
The local shareholders bought it from foreigners. So it took quite a number of years before everybody could gain their footing.
It was then that the Insurance Company of East Africa, or ICEA, began to solidify its presence in the region.
What we worked very, very hard to build at that time was a reputable business, a business that honored its obligations, kept its word, using a very ethical approach to everything that we did.
As East Africa developed, so did ICEA. The 1970s were a period of significant growth as the company expanded its reach and diversified its offerings. While ICEA was making strides, another key player emerged on the scene. Lion of Kenya Insurance Company. Founded with a vision of excellence, Lion of Kenya quickly established itself as a formidable competitor.
It was a joint effort, I would say. It needed a handful of really spirited individuals.
Among the most significant things was in 1998, Lion of Kenya, as it was, opened a subsidiary in Tanzania. As that market liberalized, it had been nationalized for many years, since Ujamaa 1967. But in 1998, they opened the market, and we were among the first companies to open in the Tanzania market.
I don't think there was any similar group within the economy that was as dynamic. Growth was really rapid by that time.
A couple of years later, the year 2000, Insurance Company of East Africa opened in Uganda. So that was sort of regional expansion and becoming true to our name as the Insurance Company of East Africa.
Some people are simply meant to be together.
In a move that would dramatically redefine the financial landscape, the two companies decided to merge.
The ICEA LION seeks new territory as its pride expands.
When the two companies came together, then by extension, we are represented in Kenya, Uganda, and Tanzania.
ICEA LION Group. Better together.
The coming together of the two companies created one of the biggest insurance companies in the region.
There was a lot of work that required to be done, amalgamating systems with the dedication that we had from teams from both companies. That happened within a very, very short time.
Starting with our values of integrity, customer service, basically offering a quality premium product in the insurance industry. Those were manifest in both businesses. It was hard work, but I think achieved in fairly good order. What we did was to actually bring everyone into the same building. We basically created a team spirit. The success speaks for itself, really.
It was a model that I could say was kind of like ahead of its time, and that has subsequently been followed by other groups in this country.
With the merger complete in 2012, ICEA LION embarked on a journey of innovation and diversification, introducing new products and embracing cutting-edge technologies.
We asked ourselves, how can we grow the business in this market? And if possible, we become number one. We need a strategy which looks at the current trends in the market here in Kenya, market trends in Africa, market trends in other parts of the world.
We were the first ones in the industry to come up with a customer service department, exclusive with uniformed personnel. We set the standard to the extent that we didn't expect to receive one single complaint.
They've been very good to us, even in terms of the service that we get. I now know a lot of their personnel personally. They make visits to our farm and we discuss the premium covers and what we can change and how we're protected. When we have a claim, I'm very happy to say that they are actually very prompt and they pay directly.
The name of ICEA LION Group is very good as far as paying claims is concerned.
Essentially what ICEA LION did was they were on top of the game. They were on top of my move, my investment moves. They advised me to move to a newer product of theirs called DigiTrust, which is what I'm on currently. And it's been a great experience.
They have honored their promises. We are one of their distribution partners. But more importantly is that even when we have a challenge, they always come back and provide the services that we required.
The focus on the customer sets ICEA LION Group apart to this day.
Most importantly, our people are our strength. We are dedicated to empowering every single member of the ICEA LION family, fostering integrity, leadership, and a vibrant team spirit.
So we invested a lot of people, training them and monitoring their growth.
I got an opportunity with the Lion of Kenya, who literally adopted me, or I adopted the Lion of Kenya, and they gave me an opportunity to be coming to the company to gain experience, first-hand working experience.
When I joined, what struck me, I saw a lot of people with typewriters. There were no PCs, the laptops were not there those days. And to where we are now today, we walk around with the iPads and laptops.
I've got a plan.
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 We are proud of our journey and excited for the future, an optimistic future of innovation, sustainability, and growth, as we continue to provide exceptional solutions for protection and wealth creation for generations to come.
We've got a plan.
ICEA LION has diversified its range of products and services. So I think it's very well positioned to do well in the future.
ICEA LION, what's your plan?
The unique thing about that campaign was not only the Hayaba plan, but the use of colors. That is very unlike the insurance industry that is very conservative. The coming up of the bright colors was basically to kind of break that and to appeal to a younger populace. And I'm glad to say that the results are very positive. The market is beginning to look at us very differently. And the 60 years celebration is also part of that brand building.
They have listened to us. They have provided solutions that have met our expectations. The intention is generations to come.
From where the industry was, where ICA was in 1964, this is a totally different situation. We covered a lot of ground as a company, a lot of ground as the insurance industry. There's much more ground to be covered.
I hope in another 60 years, we'll be looking down on ICA LION to see how well it was done after 120 years.
I think the legacy that this group has, and I believe it will continue into the future, is a legacy of trust, a trusted partner.
Happy 60th anniversary, ICEA Lion.
Long live ICEA Lion.
Happy 60th anniversary, ICEA Lion.
Happy 60th anniversary, ICEA Lion.
Happy 60th anniversary, ICEA Lion.
Happy 60th anniversary to ICEA LION Group.
Happy 60th anniversary, ICEA Lion family.
Happy 60th anniversary, ICEA LION Group.
Happy 60th anniversary, ICEA Lion.